In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Infoline on TradingView. So the very first thing that you want to do here is just log in into your account at tradingview.com and just go to any chart that you want to view. So once you've done that, let's go ahead and go to our first step, which is to go to the left panel on your screen. So here you'll be able to see a line icon here, the info line. So that's underneath the cross, but it might not say info line immediately, but this is where we can find the info line. So next thing that you want to do here is just right click on it, because when you just left click on it, that it wouldn't bring up anything on your screen. It's just gonna select the tool for you. But if you right click on it, that should immediately make the other options available to you. So from here, you just need to select infoline and just uh, put one point where you want to start the line, and then another point to the end of the line. So from here, just select from one section to another. So there's a lot of info that you could use here. The first one is the pip, this amount of pip for this info line, and here is also indicates the number of bars this info line is currently at, and the degrees and how the angle this info line is. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.